Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have what you need, an idea and a reader in mind. First, write a one-sentence premise so you can check scenes against it. Then schedule short, focused sessions, 25 to 30 minutes, so momentum builds without burnout. Once done, open a document and write the first scene or chapter. Make decisions quickly to avoid endless planning. You'll adjust later, but starting produces usable material and teaches you what needs fixing. You move from draft to structure by thinking in scenes and beats. Each scene should have a clear goal and an obstacle. Once you outline several chapters, write to outcomes rather than perfect prose, get the story through the middle. Make sure to keep stakes rising, escalate conflict at the midpoint, add obstacles, and tighten cause-effect. Also, schedule periodic read-throughs to spot sagging chapters. You'll rewrite smarter when you know what's failing and why. You finish by prioritizing completion over perfection. Get the full arc to 80–100% so you can see the shape. Once done, perform a structural edit to fix pacing, plot holes, and character arcs, then do a line-level pass for clarity and voice. Make sure to format a simple manuscript for beta readers or submission. If you hit trouble, try this. Cut one scene, set a 48-hour micro-deadline, or send a chapter to a reader for.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.